to give my yes to you today. I choose.
Good morning. It's Friday, the 17th of July. There's a lungo again. Cuts through all the sweetness of the condensed milk coffee. Psalm 92, verses 5 and 6. Psalm 92, vers 5 and 6 say, How great are your works, O Lord, your thoughts are very deep. A senseless man has no knowledge, nor does a stupid man understand this. I don't want to call you stupid, but I hope you see the works of the Lord every day in your life. And as you reflect back on the first half of this year, I trust that you've seen how the Lord has taken you through good, bad, ugly times, but in it all, He has worked everything out for the good, and He has grown you, He has strengthened you, He has developed character within you, He has grown your faith through circumstances and situations. He's brought people into your life that have tested you, that have tried you, that have frustrated you, that have brought you joy. I trust that in your marriage and in your relationship with your children, with your workers, with the employees and employers, I trust that in everything there's been a growth and a positivity, and you can see the work of the Lord in your life. And I want to encourage you this weekend to take some time to be still, to quieten down, to slow down a little bit. 'n bietjie stadiger keer die naweek te beweeg en bietjie terug te dink, bietjie tyd te spandeer en net die goue draad van die Here se werk in jou lewe, sy hand oor jou. Nehemia is 'n ongelooflike. Nehemia sê vir ons, en die goeie hand van die Here was oor hom, en die goeie hand van die Here was met hom, en die goeie hand van die Here het. En ek hoop jy kyk terug en jy sien die goeie hand van die Here oor in en besig met jou oor die laaste 6.5 maande. I trust that you'll take some time just to give thanks, and instead of just focusing in on the noise and the whirlwind of the rush of today's agenda and to-do list, that over the weekend you'll spend some time just reflecting and saying, thank you, Lord, for this journey. Thank you for where I was, where I'm going, and I can see your hand leading, your grace, your mercy, your presence. How great are your works. Your thoughts are very deep. And sometimes we have to stop to recognize just how the Lord's working. A senseless man has no knowledge, nor does a stupid man understand this. May you not be stupid. May you see and sense and know and begin to understand what the Lord's doing in, through, and with you. And I pray that you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.